In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use free loadout in Arc Raiders. If you're just getting started, want to test gear without commitment, or you're simply low on resources, the free loadout option is a quick and safe way to jump into a match without touching your saved setups. Start from the main menu. From there, hit play to begin the matchmaking flow. You'll be prompted to pick whatever map you want to run. Choose the one you have in mind. This choice doesn't affect your ability to use a free loadout, so go with the mode or location you're interested in practicing on. Once you've selected a map, look for the Managing Loadout section. This is where the game lets you prepare what you're bringing into the match. At the top of this screen, you'll see tabs, typically labeled Custom and Free Loadout. Custom is where your personal builds live, the ones you've curated with your own items and preferences. For this method, click the Free Loadout tab. This tells the game you want to use the pre-configured, cost-free option. The free loadout is designed for convenience and experimentation. It provides a ready-to-go setup without risking your custom gear or consuming anything you've saved. Think of it as a temporary loaner kit, great for learning a route, testing an encounter, or jumping in when you don't want to tweak builds. It's also useful if you're in a pinch and don't have the resources to field your ideal loadout. When you select free loadout, you'll typically see a summary of what's included, so you know what to expect once you're in the match. After confirming that free loadout is selected, just hit Ready Up. That's all there is to it. The game will cue you with the free setup, and you can focus on playing rather than managing inventory. If you decide later that you want to switch back to your own builds, simply return to the Managing Loadout section and choose the Custom tab on your next run. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Free loadout is great for practicing mechanics or routes without worrying about optimizing gear first. Because it doesn't alter your saved builds, you won't accidentally overwrite anything. It's also a solid way to warm up before a serious session with your custom gear. And if the interface looks a little different after an update, the process is the same idea. Play, select your map, go to the loadout manager, choose free loadout, and ready up. That's it. Simple, fast, and perfect for testing or budget-friendly play.